Another day, another drive. Man, that was a great run.
And the crowd goes wild.
Hey Dad, can I borrow your car?
Let's show them how it's done.
Okay. Time to watch a pro.
Bring the construction site to your home and build your imagination with the top Race RC Excavator. The RC Excavator is a lifelike replica which moves and behaves just like the real thing. It's fully equipped with a motorized fork capable of lifting over 10 ounces. A 3-part full extension electric power arm, 680-degree rotation, and sturdy treads, capable of moving anywhere your job site takes you. The Top Race Excavator comes with an easy-to-use 15-channel remote control with a 2.4 GHz transmitter, allowing a controllable distance of more than 100 feet. Now you can move, lift, and be just like a real construction worker. If you can design it, you can build it. Become the engineer you always wanted to be.
In 2015, we successfully crowdfunded the Paper Shooter's construction kit, Toy Blaster. Since then, we've sold thousands of blasters, shipped millions of spitballs, and are stocked in major retailers all around the world. Now, we're back with a new range that you don't need to build, Spitball Blasters. These are all plastic, fully assembled, and shoot straight out of the box. Spitball Blasters raises the bar for projectile-based toy combat by utilizing 100% biodegradable and readily available tissue paper as ammo. Now, you'll never need to buy more ammo or collect it after blasting. Let's take a look at how it works. Simply take a piece of tissue paper and roll it into a tube. Next, snip off 1 centimeter pieces, then dip each piece in water and place inside the mold cavity. Finally, compress the mold, and there you go. Perfect spitballs every time. Load the ammo into the shell, then into the magazine. The ammo sticks to the targets. And for you wimps out there, they don't hurt if you get hit. The Assault Rifle-esque Spitball Blasters SB9000 allows you to blast 100% biodegradable spitballs that you can make yourself from ordinary tissue, with the ability to hit targets up to 65 feet away. The blasters feature awesome paint jobs, and thanks to the unique cocking system, also offer real triggers and ejecting shells. In addition, they feature a flip clip, which allows for 16 shots without reloading, meaning you will own the battlefield. We also include a brass catcher, so you don't need to worry about collecting the shells. We've been working on this project for almost 2 years, going from idea to sketches to working prototypes. The tooling is finalized, and our manufacturing partners are in place to commence production as soon as we hit our goal. If you want to turn ordinary tissues into endless biodegradable ammo, then blast it up to 65 feet, then back this campaign. In return, we'll send you our awesome blasters. Thanks.
Make way for Plasma Car. It's kid-powered and loved by drivers of all ages. There are no batteries, no gears, no pedals, just hours of endless fun. The patented safety seat puts riders in a safe, comfortable position and minimizes tipping. Plasma Car can hold up to 220 pounds, so parents and grandparents can ride too. For younger kids, it's great for indoor play. They can turn and navigate Plasma Car in small spaces with ease. Take Plasma Car outdoors, and it's perfect for riding around the neighborhood, on sidewalks, and on other safe, smooth, flat surfaces. Even though the original red Plasma Car remains the most popular, you can visit the Plasma Car website to pick your favorite color. Look for the yellow cap in the center of the steering wheel and the Oppenheim seal of approval to make sure you're buying the original Plasma Car. Plasma Car, kid-powered and kid-approved for many miles to come.